Hello everybody, welcome back to the Skyway Classics channel. Today we got a beautiful 66 Chevelle here. Red with black interior, 502 under the hood. Absolute beast, drives so good. It's got a 4-speed manual. Just check out this ride. Interior is just as beautiful. Very, very nice condition. Super nice. Both seats come down. Pop open the trunk here. Beautiful dash, clusters, 4-speed. All right, let's check out under the hood and take it for a spin. Put it on the hood. Down the street, got a 4-speed. See how we shift, how we ride.
Definitely sounds good.
Sounds really good. Very smooth shifting. Brakes are nice and tight. Drives great, feels good. We're gonna go ahead, turn around here, and head back to the shop to check out underneath.
Sounds good.